Hey guys, Mason here. Welcome back to the Sweet Spot, where I create delicious desserts that you guys can follow along with at home. As always, the full written recipe and list of ingredients, they're down below in the description box. Also, while you're down there, if you want to join the family, click that subscribe button and you'll get 2 new videos every week. Alright, to continue our Winter Wonder Month, today we're going to be making a Jewish dish called Rugelach. Now when I started this month off, I wanted to be as inclusive as I possibly could. So when I was looking up Hanukkah recipes, I kept seeing this Rugelach over and over again, and I thought that it would be something that I could easily customize, and you could also easily customize it to the flavors that you like and your kids like. You could add Nutella to these. Anyway, it's a cream cheese dough and it's absolutely delicious. If you all want the recipe, stick around and we'll get started. Alright, to get started, we're actually going to make our cream cheese dough. It's super easy, it comes together in just a matter of minutes. The only hard part about this is that you have to wait to roll it out and make these delicious treats. Alright, in a large bowl we have 1 cup of unsalted butter that has been softened to room temperature. We're going to go ahead and break this on up some more. Alright, now we're going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese to this. It's also been softened to room temperature. Scrape our bowl down. We want everything to be nice, light, and fluffy. Perfect. Now we're going to add a 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Now we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of hazelnut extract. Perfect. Now last but not least, we're going to sieve in 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And this also has a pinch of kosher salt in it. Perfect. We want to try and keep this batter as light as possible. Now we're going to slowly incorporate it. Alright, now we're going to roll our dough out and make sure that your surface is well floured because this dough is super sticky. Okay, now I've got a nice disc shape. We're going to cut this into 4 quarters. Perfect. Alright, now we're going to actually put this in the refrigerator for an hour up to overnight. You don't want to leave it much longer than 24 hours. And if you do leave it overnight like I did, you need to lay it out on the counter for 20-25 minutes to let it come to room temperature a little bit before you begin rolling it out. Now we're going to make a classic Rugelach filling. I'd never had these before, but it's so good, you all. Which has got apricot jam, brown sugar, cinnamon, and walnuts. Now we're going to blitz this up together in our small little food processor here and get it all combined. We're going to put a 1/2 cup of walnuts in our food processor. That's perfect. We want these to be small, not powdery, but smaller. All right, we're going to go ahead and mix in our brown sugar and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let's pulse this together really quickly. Look how gorgeous. First of all, we want to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, for the classic Rugelach, we're going to go ahead and spread our apricot jam. Make sure you have plenty. This is what's going to help your walnut brown sugar mixture stick. Perfect. Now we're going to spread. Alright, the easiest thing to cut this with is a pizza cutter, and we're going to cut this just like a pizza in triangular wedges. You're going to start at the wide end and roll toward the tip. In this version, you roll it out into a rectangle instead of a circle, and you start rolling. And try and keep it a nice tight roll. You just take a knife, cut your ends off, and cut them like pinwheel shapes. Alright, now we've got everything prepared, we're going to bake these off in our oven for at least 20 to 24 minutes. I ended up baking mine for 22 minutes. What do you guys think? Look how adorable these cookies are. And they're so delicious. Look at the bottom where the apricot jam has come out in the oven. Oh my lord. The dough is so good. I've never had a cream cheese dough like this before. In fact, I'd never even heard of a cream cheese dough. I just made a classic filling. You can actually put Nutella in the middle of these, or marshmallow cream, or chocolate chips. The possibilities are endless. Now they come together really quickly. The only hard part is that you have to wait on the dough to rest. I'll definitely be adding this to my holiday baking collection. It is to die for. I urge you all to try it. That's all we've got for this week. But join me next week for 2 more wonderful recipes. And don't forget, if you've not subscribed, subscribe! Also, if you really like this video, click that like button down below. Also, if you want to share this with all your Jewish friends and family, go on ahead. Put it on social media, but don't forget to tag me in it at The Sweet Spot. I hope you all have a wonderful week. From my home to yours, enjoy.